My name is Jaume Guia, and I'm the coordinator of the EMTM program, the Erasmus Mundus European Master in Tourism Management.
So Jaume, you guys have been pitted as one of the most successful consortium in Erasmus Mundus joint programs. So what have been the mechanisms you adapted to improve the cooperation collaborations with the Erasmus Mundus Association?
Well, actually, we are one of the masters that have been somehow granted this success story recently, and we have worked very closely together with the students. This has been our fundamental values, so that students feel empowered and actually they co-own the program. So from this perspective, we feel that it's a program that can be a best practice to take into account. So we had always representatives from our program in EMA, and we have always known what's going on in EMA because this representative every time shared their what they experienced in the meetings and so on. So we are sort of well updated with what's going on and so on. But I must say that even so, there has no been occasion to, let's say, like we are doing now, like talking directly from coordinator to like president or to and actually there is room for doing more things close together, and actually we support this, and we believe that there's an occasion to do it if we find a way so that you're in your meetings, and maybe we can be invited. We can invite you to our meetings. Like for example, like in our case, we are now working in the formalization of alumni associations, and my belief is that masters who have alumni associations which are active can have a better chance to collaborate with EMA, so that from the collaboration substantial benefits can come out. I really believe in that.
Thank you. And one more question regarding, currently you have Lucia, who is basically one of your product, and she's been newly elected as the Vice President of EMA. So you have anything about what kind of an inspiration has been for her to kind of take up this role?
Well, actually I remember well Lucia when she was a student, and she was also always was very involved in EMA. She was always eager to participate, and since she left the program, she kept being in EMA all the time. Is very active in many of the activities of EMA. She was invited last year in our graduation ceremony, participating in the meeting of the different cohorts that are working now on this alumni association, and we are just proud to have people like Lucia in our program and involved as she is so strongly with the activities in EMA, and actually that can also benefit maybe any collaboration that can come out of that.
Absolutely. Yeah. And just my last question for you is if you have any messages for the coordinators out there, what should be they doing in terms of kind of developing these mechanisms to bridge this gap between us and consortium?
Yeah, maybe I don't know, this is a guess, but maybe it's true that the EMA is seen from the coordinator's perspective as a little bit there, but without actually knowing firsthand what's going on. I don't know, maybe you can correct this guess. Yeah. And I don't know whether it's also the same from the other perspective. The fact that there is no such a thing as an association of coordinators like you have in EMA, maybe it's part of the reason. But my message would be, and I said before, that empower your students and work with the students alumni to formalize alumni associations, and through this get closer to EMA.
Okay.
As well a little bit through the ways that we are here now sort of designing or at least proposing. I think there's an avenue to explore at least.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time today.
Welcome.
Yeah.